Do you work in digital advertising on platforms like Facebook, Google, TikTok, or any other popular ad networks? Do you need a card to make a payment with some money? Does your company, Wardic, have a large team and therefore need a significant number of electronic activation cards to accommodate everyone? Does it reach 100 cards? The BST website provides you with an unlimited number of digital cards for your use. This is what we will learn in this video. The BST site is a modern digital service that issues virtual cards for secure online transactions. Visa or MasterCard payments in US dollars and euros. You can conveniently use these cards to pay for a wide range of various goods and services. Accessible on the global internet, including the creation of ads on Facebook, Google, TikTok, and other social media platforms. You can easily get your first card without the need to activate a new document account beforehand. The site offers fees as low as 2%. It also supports various broadcasting methods effectively. A substantial number of PIN codes provided by leading American and prominent European banks are now available. It also provides cards equipped with 3D secure protection features, ensures secure transaction processing. It offers a user-friendly browser extension to effortlessly conduct all transactions. It also supports offering additional features and benefits specifically for subscribers to the PST private service. Ideal for high-volume transaction teams and individuals, receive up to 100 free cards. Then, there are cards worth $1 each, but they come with a 2% loading fee added to the total amount. First, you need to create an account on the pst.net website. Click on Register, and you can easily sign up using your various social media accounts like Facebook or Twitter, or via email. You will then need to carefully agree to the terms and conditions and confirm that you are not a resident of any of the countries that are prohibited from using the site. Then click on Register. This is the website's main control panel interface. At the top, there are two icons, one for WhatsApp and the other for Telegram. Therefore, you can easily link your account with a helpful bot on either Telegram or WhatsApp for convenience. This bot helps manage your account and communicate with the website. The unique code required for completing the payment process, which is conducted via the card, is sent directly to you through either Telegram or WhatsApp, ensuring a secure and efficient transaction. By clicking on Note Free Provide, there are 3 steps to verify the account. The first step is to enter your nationality, first name, last name, and date of birth. At this level of verification, you can request most types of cards and are allowed to load a balance of up to $500. You can load the balance on the website or directly load the card in person. The second level of verification requires submitting a passport photo, a government-issued ID, or any official document, and allows you to create up to 5 cards with a maximum deposit limit of $2,000. The final level of verification requires submitting a clear photo of an ID and a selfie holding the document, which allows you to use all site features without any upper limit or restriction. As for issuing the card, the website offers you various types of cards to choose from. Special advertising cards specifically designed for Facebook, Google, TikTok, or general advertising cards that allow you to conveniently pay for ads on various social media platforms. These include different types like Visa or MasterCard, some of which support enhanced security features like 3D Secure, and it also shows the associated transaction fees, meaning all essential details of the card's information are displayed. The best card offered by the site is the Ultimate card, which supports both deposits and withdrawals, is 3D secure for enhanced safety, and can be used for payments on most websites and platforms online. It can be loaded in various ways, offering flexibility, and its most important feature is that it has no maximum balance limit, providing ultimate convenience. It can be charged using any remaining balance. To obtain it, simply click on the Gate card. Here, you will see the card fees listed, and you can conveniently pay these fees on a weekly, monthly, or annual basis. You can choose the type of card, Visa or MasterCard. Select the minimum card balance, and then you can choose the 3D Secure Verification option for added security. Here you will find the details of the card, including weekly fees, card balance, and shipping fees, which are 8%. Please note that the card cannot be used with either Apple Pay or Google Pay for any transactions. You need to first load your balance on the official website to start using the card. You need to charge at least $62 to cover all your costs and ensure a reasonable profit margin. Select Top App. You will find the available shipping methods, which include various cryptocurrencies like USDT, USD on multiple blockchain networks, and Bitcoin. You can also conveniently pay with Visa, MasterCard, WebMoney, Skrill, Paya, and many other accepted methods. If you choose digital currencies, it will provide you with a wallet address to transfer to. A deposit of less than $50 will incur a $5 fee. You need to wait for the transaction to be processed and for the amount to appear in your account balance. Once the funds are visible, you can proceed to request the card. Click on the Shock card, choose the ultimate option, and then click on Get Card. Choose a payment method, weekly or monthly, depending on the period you intend to use the card. Select the card type, Visa or MasterCard. Choose the card balance and select the payment method used to load the balance. Agree to the terms and conditions and click Continue. Click on Show a Card. You can now add a detailed description to the card, and you can also enable the option for automatic recharge when the card balance drops below a certain predefined limit. On the interface, the card appears by opening the menu on the right, showing the card details, shipping and withdrawal options, and the ability to rename or cancel it. After that process, by clicking on the Close button and then subsequently clicking on the Show button, all the card details appear on the screen, including the card number, CVV code, and the expiration date. By clicking on Withdraw, you will find the balance on the card and you can withdraw it using any of these methods. Specify the amount you want to withdraw from the card, and the approximate time required to complete the transaction will be displayed for your convenience. Click on Continue to complete the account. This is the method for withdrawing to an external wallet by entering the withdrawal address, minimum amount, and other information. To purchase using the card from any site, enter the card details and click on Pay to complete the purchase. When you return to your account on the site, you will see a decrease in your balance, indicating that the purchase was successful. By clicking on Payment, you will find a detailed list of all transactions made through the card. From the menu, there is a private section where you can obtain a large number of cards, up to 100 cards in total. In the end, BST is a cutting-edge modern payment service that effectively addresses one of the main problems faced by most marketers, miners, and online buyers, especially given the lack of reliable tools to smoothly pay for advertising expenses.